Okay, so this is pretty neat. Uh, Now, I'm going to show you the users table, and gosh, I hope you can see this. So I have users with IDs 1 through 10, and I just logged in with John Doe. Password is password1, and here's what we got. It's not rendering his name right. We might have to fix that. See what broke there. Um, User ID, maybe there's no name or something in users. Anyway, John Doe, password 1, and he is user ID is 8. All right. So now what I want to do is if I'm going to test uh, like the machine showing up here, which is the next part. I mean, who knows? This might be totally broken at this current point. Probably is. Truth be told, but let's just test it. Let's ask ChatGPT and say, I would like user John Doe to have some machines associated with him. What tables do I need to update? Okay, fair enough. Okay. And you know what I'm going to do also? Is I'm going to say, take a look at my database structure and double confirm your previous response. Just for good measure. Okay, so I'm just going to say, give me the SQL code to add a machine to John Doe, whose user ID is 8. Okay. Insert a new machine inventory. Is that even a frickin'... Is that even a table? Is machine inventory a table? Oh, it is. Alright, let's see it. I mean, I'm kind of... Okay, so there's that. Yeah, this looks like it'll work. Let's give it a shot. Oops. Okay, that didn't work. Why? There you go. Maybe that's better. This looks more accurate. Okay, now let's see. If it doesn't work, we'll reload the server. No machine. So I guess it's totally broken. Well, we gave it a shot, and I suppose I'll do some more troubleshooting in the next video. But at least now we know what. Now we can move on to the next step. So thank you for watching part 11 of this series, and I think we're making really good progress. I think that we're going the right direction with this app. It's very fun to do, very fun to code like this. There's way less crap. There's so much less BS with the programmer. I hate sifting through these APIs and and all these there's so many fewer freaking typos, man. This is the best way to code, man. 100%. I'm very optimistic.